Hi, welcome to my channel Art and Life with Vardu. In this video, we are going to learn about wax art crayons in the canvas board. So first, let you know the materials we require to do a canvas crayons art. This is the board I have chosen, which is 8 by 10 inches, and the crayons. This is actually a cheaper brand which costs 10 rupees. Pick out your favorite colors you want and then glue to stick out those crayons. A blower and a pencil to draw the outline. So now we'll see how to start up with. First, draw the design you want. I'm going to draw a heart shape. It's going to be a freehand drawing. So now I'm done with the drawing. If you can trace out some designs also according to the work you are going to do. Now cut down these crayons into small pieces as like chips. Now take a glue and apply it all over the outline. Start pasting this chips over this glue. Once you have filled the whole design, leave few minutes for the glue to take time to dry. Now our design is ready. Take a blower and start blowing it. Fix in number 2. Once it started melting, move it to the desired position you want the wax to be melt. Have a newspaper below it because it may damage the surface. Now our entire artwork is ready. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.